More than $100,000 for a bus wash machine? That's too expensive. That's the first reaction many fleet owners have. But here's the real question. Is the machine expensive? Or is staying manual actually costing you more every single year? When businesses evaluate an automatic bus wash system, the first thing they usually notice is the purchase price. It's natural. Large investments always attract attention. But experienced fleet operators know that the purchase price is only a small part of the total cost of ownership. The real expense often comes from what happens after the machine is installed, or from never installing one at all. Think about the daily costs of manual washing. Labor expenses continue to rise. Water usage is difficult to control. Cleaning quality depends on the individual worker. During busy periods, buses spend valuable time waiting instead of returning to service. Every delayed departure affects schedules, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, revenue. These hidden costs accumulate every single day, yet they rarely appear on a quotation sheet. An automatic bus wash system changes that equation. It delivers consistent cleaning quality, reduces labor requirements, optimizes water consumption, shortens turnaround time, and allows fleet operators to manage operations more efficiently. Instead of paying unpredictable operating costs month after month, businesses invest in a system that creates measurable savings over many years. The question is no longer, how much does the machine cost? The better question becomes, how much money will this system save over its lifetime? A reliable automatic wash system is not simply another piece of equipment. It is an operational asset. Just like purchasing a fuel-efficient fleet or investing in preventive maintenance, it helps reduce long-term operating expenses while improving productivity. Companies that focus only on the initial investment often delay modernization. Companies that calculate lifetime value usually discover that automation pays for itself much sooner than expected. At Go&Go, every wash system is designed with this long-term mindset. Durable construction, efficient operation, and low maintenance requirements help businesses achieve a lower total cost of ownership year after year. Because in business, the smartest investment isn't always the cheapest one today. It's the one that delivers the greatest value tomorrow. Before comparing purchase prices, compare lifetime operating costs. You may discover that the expensive machine is actually the most economical investment you'll ever make. Follow Go&Go for more insights on fleet efficiency and smart automation solutions.